This video shows how to forcibly uninstall software on a Windows machine. So sometimes you can come to the control panel and look at all of your programs and try to click on one and uninstall, and partway through it'll fail, or it'll tell you need to reboot to finish uninstalling, and you reboot and it's still listed in programs, or it leaves files in either your registry and or in your start menu. So this is going to show you how you can forcibly uninstall these programs that are problematic when you try to uninstall. In this example, I'm going to uninstall this Adobe widget browser that I'm not using. Not that I've had trouble uninstalling it, but just for example purposes. So first you need to go to support.microsoft.com, and this is the entire link here, which is also in the blog for this. And I'm going to click Run Now. I'm going to say Run, and I'm going to wait for this to come up, and I'm going to accept the license. And in this one, I'm going to say detect problems and let me select the fixes to apply instead of the recommended, just so I have a little bit more control. And as you can see here, you can use this to install or uninstall software. In this instance, I am uninstalling software, so I'm going to click uninstall. And then it's going to look for problems that you've had uninstalling software and try to assume or guess basically based on that what software you might be trying to uninstall. And it's going to give me a big list of programs that I can uninstall. Now that all my software is listed, I'm going to select this Adobe widget browser, and if you look, I can scroll down and here's a whole bunch of programs that I could have selected. So it comes up with a pretty comprehensive list. Then I'm going to click Next, and it's going to say Uninstall and Clean Up, and I'm going to say yes, I want you to try to uninstall that. Uninstall and clean up that widget browser. You can see now it's listed here. I'm going to say Next. I'm going to wait for it to try to uninstall this. Now if you look here, so here was the issue I reported, basically that I couldn't install or uninstall, which in this case was uninstall, and the fixed status says fixed. Now depending upon the program, sometimes this can take a little bit longer. That was a small little piece of software, so it was pretty quick. So I'm going to click Next, and then basically I'm saying, yep, my problem's fixed, and I'm done. Thank you. It says thank you, and that's literally all you have to do. So anytime you're having problems uninstalling a program from the standard control panel uninstall, and if I were to refresh this list, now that's gone. You can see the widget is no longer there. Basically, you can come to Microsoft and they have a tool built up for that. And that's all you have to do.